One thing about my question that I posted, I usually post on my page, is very simple and simple. Okay, it's very simple and tricky. Most people always complain that, Saga, why is it that question is very simple? But if you're not careful, you make mistake. That is why when I always make a post, you can see this post. I made this post today by 6 hours ago. And I always say you have to be careful. And most people are not careful. Now, we are giving what? We are giving that minus 3, sorry, 3x equals of minus 1 to the power of 2. And we are asked to find the value of x. Let me see the comment. Okay, this one says now you are back. Now, most people, they are making mistakes. Some people say the answer is 1 over 3, 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 1 over 3. You can see? You can see this comment here, 1 over 3. See? So, I'm here to clear the dots so everybody will learn, because when I'm telling that to be careful, you have to be very careful. It's simple, but you have to be very careful. If you're not careful, you make mistakes. Now, before you can solve this question, I want you to understand something very interesting and important. That minus 1 square is not equals to into minus 1 all to the power of 2. This is where the mistake is coming from. Please take note of this. I've done videos like this several years ago, but most people know that I'm having new followers. They are not taking note of this, and it's very, very important. Whenever I ask you to be careful, you have to be careful. Okay? There's something there, I have to be careful. So minus 1 to the power of 2 is not equals to into minus 1 multiplied by into minus 1. Because minus 1 to the power of 2 simply means this parenthesis you are seeing is twice. Okay? Then this, also see that minus 1 multiplied by 1 to the power of 2. Because minus 1 times 2 to the power of 2, see minus 1 to the power of 2, take note, is not equals to plus 1. Because minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. And 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So we have that minus 1 times 1 is not equals to 1. And minus 1 is not equals to what? 1. If you can understand this, then you can solve this question. Okay? And stop making serious mistakes. So that means 3x is equals to minus 1, because minus 1 to the power of 2 simply means what? Minus 1 without the parentheses. So divide here by what? 3, and divide here by what? 3. 3 go as, so our s is equals to minus 1 divided by what? 3. This is the answer to this question. If your answer is 3 over 1 over 3, you are wrong. Yes, because this is not in the parentheses. Take note of this. Please, if you know you really find it very interesting, let's do it to like, comment, and share to learn one so others will learn.